Hey friends! Today I'll be reviewing the Uwant Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum has been great at cleaning many of our household messes. It picks up the cereal so effortlessly. I really love that after running a mopping cycle, picking things up, the floor is actually dry afterward. As you can see, this napkin didn't pick up any moisture. Using this is quite easy. On the top, we have a battery meter. These 4 bars mean it's fully charged. When the battery is in a low state of charge, this will show a red color. Here we have an indicator light for sterilization. On the bottom, we have Smart, Turbo, and Dry modes. This button on the handle allows us to change the drying mode with a simple button press. Above it, we have the power button to get things going. On the main unit, we have 2 buttons. The left is the volume control, and on the right, we have a self-cleaning button. This helps clean the roller automatically. The water tank is on the back of the main body. It's an all-in-one tank which has both the clean and the dirty water. When we want to remove it, we can simply press the top button and it pops right out. As you can see, this side has the clean water. When we want to fill the container, we unplug this top part. On the opposite side is the dirty wastewater container. To empty and clean out the dirty container, we will just pull out the top piece and we can empty as needed. One super convenient feature is the vacuum can lay completely flat. When it's flat, the tallest part is just around 4.5 inches tall. If the opening area is more than 4.5 inches tall, then there's a good chance this will work. I have another vacuum from another manufacturer that can't go completely flat, and this limits its ability to clean. So here are my 2 machines. The Uwant brush is about 10.25 inches wide, whereas the Tyneco is about 9 inches wide. I love that this roller is quite large and has a larger surface area, which ultimately saves time when cleaning. Another advantage is the water tank being one piece. The other machine has 2 compartments. Clean water on the top and the dirty compartment is on the bottom. As far as the water tank goes, this is slightly larger, holding 650 milliliters of water compared to the other at 600. Another nice feature is adjusting this handle. I found holding this adjustable handle more comfortable. After we're done using the machine, it can go back to the charging station without lifting it up. We simply roll it in and raise the handle vertically. When I press the self-cleaning button, it will go through a cleaning cycle on the roller, making it very fresh. Another important feature is when the machine is done cleaning, the machine will use hot air to assist drying the roller. I let the cleaning cycle run yesterday evening, and this morning it's completely dry. To remove the roller or clean the inside, we can press these 2 top tabs, and the roller is easily accessible now. To detach the roller, we can press this white button, and now the roller can just slide right off. Also, to make cleaning the unit even easier, the motor and the chassis are both waterproof. This is the charging base. It arrives in 2 pieces. If you need to ever clean this tray, it just lifts right up and we can clean it. One additional well-thought-out feature is this deodorizing tool inside the tank. It helps prevent the water tank from any odors that may arise if water is stored inside. Inside the box, we also get a filter, some deep cleaning solution, and a cleaning tool for the water tank. This one is pretty long, so it helps us get deep inside the tank. Lastly, an extra roller. I really love the roller on this system. It's very dense and makes a big difference when it's mopping things up. It does a great job on all sorts of floors. We used it on our vinyl plank and tile, and it works great. It does a great job at cleaning different types of messes for us and does it with ease. Overall, I really love this vacuum. The larger roller, the ability to clean under areas, and it really just does a great job. I hope this was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.